Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Call of Duty. Black Ops 6 Error Code Wallops-Charles. The error reads, "Connection failed to set player info." As per our research, this error appears when players try to launch the game or access certain modes. Some players have reported getting kicked out of the game while trying to join a lobby. Others receive this error even before loading into the game. According to our research, the error may be related to network connectivity issues, outdated game files, or temporary server problems. Now let's come to fixes for the error. First, try disconnecting your device from the internet, restarting it, and then reconnecting to the internet. Once done, launch the game and check if the error still appears. If the error persists, try switching your Wi-Fi connection from 5 GHz to 2.4 GHz, and then try launching the game again. If the error still comes, then try connecting to a mobile hotspot and launch the game. Once you're in the game, switch back to your main internet connection and check if the issue persists. In case the error still doesn't resolve, then ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. If you have any pending updates, install them and then check if the error is resolved. At last, if the error still occurs after all these steps, check if the Call of Duty Black Ops 6 servers are down. To check the server status, you can visit support.activision.com/online services. If the servers are down, you will have to wait until they are back online. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.